Alright, I've got two Dewalt circular saws. This is the 60 volt and this is the 20 volt. They both say Flexvolt on it. This one will also work with a smaller battery, like here's a 4 amp hour battery. And we're going to do a test. I got a brand new blade on this one, brand new blade on that one, and fully charged batteries. So here's a 20 volt. Let's try the 20 volt with a 4 amp battery. And now let's try with a piece of scrap, pressure treated. Not too bad. Let's try that again with the 4 amp hour. Alright, I hope that helps you guys. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Yeah, these also both have the hooks, so that's pretty good.